Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi in Lego Fortnite. First, gather your basic building materials such as wood, granite, and perhaps some brightly colored blocks for your sushi ingredients. You will need at least 50 pieces of wood and 30 pieces of granite to start. Think about the type of sushi you want to create, whether it is a simple roll or a more elaborate nigiri piece, before you begin construction. Next, let us craft the foundational rice layer for your sushi. Begin by laying a flat, rectangular base using light-colored blocks, such as white or light gray, to represent the rice. Aim for a base that is approximately 8 studs wide and 16 studs long. This provides a good surface area for your delicious fillings. Make sure the base is sturdy and level, ready for the next steps. Now, it is time to add the vibrant fillings to your sushi. Use a variety of colorful blocks to represent different ingredients like salmon, avocado, or cucumber. For instance, orange blocks for fish and green blocks for vegetables work well. Arrange these blocks in distinct sections across your rice base. If you are making a roll, use dark-colored blocks, like black or dark green, to simulate the seaweed wrap around your ingredients. Finally, let us add the finishing touches to make your sushi truly stand out. Consider adding tiny, contrasting blocks for details like sesame seeds or fish roe on top. You could even craft a small, flat plate using a few light-colored blocks to serve your creation. Your Lego Fortnite sushi is now complete and ready to be admired. Enjoy your unique, edible-looking masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.